don't have Bugatti yet. I have a Polo.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
As you can see, it's kinda cooked. But most importantly, it gets me from point A to point B. And with Atlas NAVI, I can change my car icon. And it can be something like Bugatti for sure. I recently tried it, and it's Drive to Earn Navigators app. You earn tokens while you drive. It doesn't matter if it's a long trip, or you use it when you go shopping just like me. You drive, you earn. Simple as that. Every mile, every kilometer, it counts. With your earned tokens, you can get in real life discount for gas, and I'm not gonna lie, my wallet is always crying when I go to gas stations, so I think that's pretty cool utility. Besides that, you can upgrade your car icon, so you get a percentage boost of how much you earn, and you will get more tokens. On top of that, you can always stack your tokens.
I